It's all right. I have some K&N uh, air filter cleaner that I'm gonna use on it. I guess I'll show you guys that. All right, so there's the K&N air filter cleaner. I'm gonna use this on it when I'm ready to clean it out. And the way that it works is all you do is spray this, spray it onto the filter on the outside of it, and just kind of let it soak in for maybe 10 minutes. And what you do is use your garden hose, or if you're at a car wash or something, using a pressure washer, spray from the inside out. So you want to spray from the inside, and like all of this stuff in here, it's going to push it all back out. And then what you'd want to do next is re-oil each one of these pleats on here with the red oil that comes with the K&N air intake kit. Typically it'd come with this when you buy one of these charge kits. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get to the rest of it, guys, buttoning this thing up, and go ahead and start it up for you guys, see how it go. All right, guys, so the last part of it is installing this EGR tube. And once I get that installed, that'll be the last part of it. All I got to do is connect it down there at the bottom, reconnect it right here to the intake manifold. So I can't do this one-handed, guys. So what I'm gonna do is put the phone down and get that installed. So give me a second here, guys. All right, guys, so as you can see, I have the EGR tube bolted down and everything, and then I also have it pushed in up here, and all it does is just push in from the top here. So there's no bolt or screw or anything necessary. So got that all buttoned up now. All right, you guys, so it's almost a moment of truth. I'm gonna go ahead and it's a little bit of oil that fell down, that I noticed it fell down inside of my intake. I know you guys probably can see that right there. But what I'm gonna do is go ahead and wipe that stuff out of there. I'm probably gonna hit it with a little bit of the throttle body cleaner that I have, just to kind of flush it out. All right, guys, so stay tuned. Let me get this done. Then I'll go ahead and jump inside, check the code, see if I got any codes. Well, first reconnect the battery, then check to see if there's any codes. I shouldn't have any codes, so just go from there, guys. All right, you guys, so I'm back. I got everything buttoned up on the intake manifold install. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna check. I got my battery reconnected, and I'm about to check with my T1000 here, see if I have any trouble codes or anything. So go ahead and turn my key to the on position here. All right, and I'm gonna go to the T1000 here. All right, let's get the camera to focus here. All right, so I'm gonna accept the disclaimer here. All right, accept it. Oh God, so okay. I hit the wrong one, you guys. Hold on for a second. All right, so what I did previously, I had went ahead and decline the disclaimer on here, and what I should have did was went over one. Let's see. Went over one, then accepted it. And then what I'd want to do is go over here to diagnostics. That's too much light. All right. So anyway, I'm going to go to diagnostics here with my T1000. Then I'm going to go to show trouble codes. See if I got any trouble codes. All right, so these are all the codes that I have so far. See, I got a downstream H2O sensor swapped, a random misfire detected, upstream sensor swapped. Let me see, high voltage bank 2. All right, so I'm not gonna worry about those because all of those are O2 sensor related. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is just clear all of these out of the system. All right, so no more check engine light. So what I'm gonna do now is go outside because I got the key in the on position, meaning that I'm getting fuel up to the fuel injector. So I'm gonna get out and see if I got any leaks or anything. So I'll step out now, guys, and check for any leaks. All right, guys, I already checked the other side and I don't see any leaks going on or nothing with the fuel injectors. So everything's looking good so far. So what I'm gonna do is get in there, get this garage door open, and I'm gonna fire it up. See how it all goes, guys. All right, guys, I got my garage door open. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a, it's gonna be a cold start. All right, I know my neighbors are probably gonna be a little upset, but who cares, right? All right, so here we go. Alright guys, so I'm just let it run and burn off any fuel that may have fell down into any of the exhaust ports or the throttle body cleaner I was using. Long tube headers down there, pace setter. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and back it out of the garage now. right, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the video right here. I'm gonna go ahead and let the temperature warm up a little more. I'm gonna go ahead and back it out of the garage, check the trouble codes again, and let you guys know how it is in the next video. But thanks for watching, guys, and if you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and you know, like, share, comment. I'll be happy to answer any questions that you guys may have. And I guess most importantly, guys, subscribe to the channel. You know, just go ahead and subscribe, and let's just grow together, guys. All right, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one.